Fresh off a significant redesign, the Hyundai Elantra was the winner of the 2021 North American Car of the Year, and for 2022, the Elantra is firing on all cylinders, offering a lot of performance, technology, and style across 5 trim levels. In this video, we'll take a brief look at the standard equipment for each of those trim levels. We'll also cover Hyundai's factory warranty and share some insights on how to get the best deal if you're looking for a new Elantra. The exterior design is something Hyundai calls parametric dynamic. Yeah, say that 10 times fast, but parametric dynamic emphasizes a low and wide stance, but no matter what you call it, this is the most stylish Elantra yet. The entry-level SE is standard with a 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder with 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. It sends power to the front wheels using Hyundai's proprietary intelligent variable transmission. The SE has cloth seats, an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a 4-speaker audio system and dual USB ports. The SEL, also standard with the 2-liter 4-cylinder, includes everything from the SE but adds a 6-speaker audio system, dual-zone automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, and satellite radio. If you want a decked-out SEL, go for the convenience package or the premium package. The convenience package adds heated front seats, wireless smartphone charging, a large digital instrument cluster, adaptive cruise control, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. The premium package throws in an 8-speaker Bose audio system, a sunroof, LED headlights and taillights, dark chrome exterior accents, and a power driver's seat. Above the SEL is the fancy limited trim with leather seats, navigation, and rear parking sensors. Like the SE and the SEL, the Limited is standard with the 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. If you want something a little more athletic and sleek, get a load of the Elantra N-Line with its fastback design. The N-Line is standard with 18-inch wheels, a unique rear diffuser, and chrome exhaust tips. Under the hood is a 1.6-liter turbo engine with 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. With the N-Line, you get your choice of transmission, either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Now the Elantra N, at the very top of the mountain. It's the quickest Elantra, courtesy of its 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder that generates 276 horsepower and 289 pound-feet of torque. The front-wheel drive Elantra N comes with either an 8-speed wet dual-clutch automatic or a 6-speed close-ratio manual transmission. The Elantra N can hit 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds. But if you would rather have efficiency over speed, the Elantra Hybrid is the ticket. The Hybrid is available in 2 trim levels, Blue and Limited, with the Blue offering an EPA estimated 53 miles per gallon in the city, 56 on the highway, and 54 combined. The Elantra Hybrid is standard with a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, a permanent magnet electric motor powered by a lithium-ion polymer battery, and a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. Total system output is 139 horsepower and up to 195 pound-feet of torque. Every Hyundai Elantra comes from the factory with a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The hybrid system and battery components of the Elantra Hybrid are covered for 10 years or 100,000 miles. See the link below. That will take you to a complete overview of Hyundai's factory warranty. Starting MSRP for the 2022 Hyundai Elantra SE is about $21,000. The SEL starts at $22,245, with the Limited beginning around $27,000. The more sporty N-Line starts at $25,395, and the Elantra N has 2 starting MSRPs depending on which transmission you want. The manual starts around $34,000, while the automatic starts at $35,440. The hybrid models start right around $25,000. See our free search tools below. They will help you narrow down which Hyundai dealers in your area offer the best pricing on a new Elantra. And also below is a link to our complete overview of the 2022 Elantra to help you with your research. Reporting in Detroit on behalf of Automoblog, I'm Carl Anthony.